Let me just bring you a bit of breaking news that's coming into us this morning here at Sky News. Officials from the party of Imran Khan in Pakistan say that his home in the city of Lahore has been entered by police, and Imran Khan himself is due to appear in court in the capital, Islamabad, today. Imran Khan has been due to face court proceedings for charges he was facing due to allegations that led to his removal from office. He was accused of receiving gifts while Prime Minister of Pakistan, charges that he has denied. He has not appeared in court, and for the past few weeks there's been a standoff outside his home in Lahore with police trying to enter and supporters of Imran Khan protecting the property, stopping him from entering. But it has now been claimed by people representing Imran Khan's party that the police have entered the home there in Lahore and that Imran Khan himself will be appearing in court in Islamabad. We'll have more on that story as we get it throughout the morning.